Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to easily quick share photos on your Android phone. So if you swipe down from the top right, you're going to see under this button there's an option for quick share. So if you quick share an item, you can send it to another Android device very easily, and you don't even need a connection. So let's look for quick share under here. Here it is, quick share. We can just tap it or hold down on it, I believe. So if we hold down on it, it'll bring you to the settings. If we tap it, it'll bring us to the quick share screen. Now we want to choose if we want to receive or send. So we can go to send, select the files. So let's just do one of these files right here. How about this one? Go to done. Now you want to bring this up on your other phone. So here's my other phone. Swipe down from the top right. Look for quick share. So we might have to go through the second page here, go to quick share. Then we want to go to receive, ready to receive. Here's my Pixel 7, so let's tap that. Now it's connecting, and then we can accept the image right here. And then you can open up, or you can view it in your downloads. Here it is. So very easy to send this via quick share. No connection required. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.